yes, sumo.
Yes, mama, ready.
And you may yakin cancer, no. Your my sister Paulina and a day after.
You may yakin cancer, no. You better free. Abus chapter.
Hey, babe! Sister Paulina, we reading glasses here, China, Hebrews.
Hey! Madam!
Ajenkwani, Tina Tet Hayan Herbal Capsule, a drawing Tina per what to send me. Me ready, I mention glasses. Oh, Brody Bessie, see clear.
No crow. Kinaata Hayan Herbal Capsules, a full supplement for good vision and not recommended for children below 12 years, asthmatic patients, pregnant and breastfeeding mothers.
A drawing baby atwa for Tina Tet Herbal Shop. Hey, now wait. Kinaata Hayan.
See clear.
Kinaata drawing FDA ahwehwem agye atum se eje.
Mama kwa baade ba Ghana TV so breadru sesam hudwa ya bwabwano yede ebe so mo kasia bokwanso wey ye kasia bote wo shabe live wo YouTube, Facebook na Instagram sadani de di kan wo shabe ya subscribe before se mi adon so se bia de beto bia on se betimi aka like na share ma foforo so entimi enhwe bi mi a me di kasia boy hu chia me me da chehima ajowa Nati afeye ntwa ho sema anji edwedi nkrato ye ba ye beto so
The man in Bema. The Macron because a member to meet you. Oh, yeah, Juma. I said, Juma, the man now, what about the suit if you or by now, you know, your power yet? Oh, no, so I'm going to find you. Who can do a quotation? Now I have one, so I have a crack. I'm sorry, so now why did
I was there for Mama Kwa baby made by Ghana TV so way a cassia bought too. After free and someone I say na ye kopiemu was Zimbabwe mining mu ababa we be edina kosam abedan social media and watch mu say busumi be ko na wie ye no obepon ne homoden se obeka na no aduro eku ne ho na nakosam nyina etre se emre bi etwemu no ko Zimbabwe mining mu a Zimbabwe vice president mampeni abedi ekire ne yire ene sa abaye na entawatawa esi woni ni kuntem ema awarijaye ebaye ne free sa awarijaye no ebaye no ekamia kwa ese be ma no empese obehu nanim bia obehu nanim wakwan bia so afen so mofra woni be ma no awo no so be ma no abomodin de mofra no esie no wompesa mofra no kra ebe ben no wompesa wobehu enkwada no wakwan bia so enu nti adane na kosam adane na dwendwen enche bia na wo ya oyade ya chese ukopie mu ewa ya de sabia doctor chese be bia yade na dunu age yetwa ne nsa baako emenam so ma doctor fo twa ne nsa baako edi firi ho asabra me no kasa die ensa baako pe ene wono na sa wo ya wo ni nyina ekire no enka wo pese nka ne mani mpo esanze o pesen kan mani mpo otimi ehu wo mwanim na nka wode wo mo echeche ne re kakrakra na bema no empese obehu ne ma no wo kwan bia so esanse awarijaye abenti bema ne empese obehu ne ma no wo kwan bia so no ose wodwen we hu a wonte ase adane na dwendwen odwo oda wontimi na esanse batan wonya yam hyehye fa ne ma ho batan de wontimi enya wo ma ho sa wa bra wuhu wo ma na wetimi ada hate sa wose ne yade ye chikura nanka wotimi hu ne ma no a anka ode no ebe kyehye ne ren so be meyi ema ho kwan ema ohu ne ma no wo kwan bia so obi a wo yare anka woda yare mpa so anka ne mei wo ho a enka fa topia otama me fa we ma me nanka wode eno akyehye ne re so be meyi Emma ho kwan Emma wo hu ne mmei wo kwan bia so eno nti adane na dwendwen adane na kosam odwen ho awonte ase ama onam hokura no ohu ne so mfaso bia wa asase so enti wono aye na dwen se ansana na busumi yi beko na wieye no obeka na no aduru eku ne ho pe esanse de ekọ ne de wote ase a wose yenye yida wote ase yenye yi eya araho yi papa
to continue fighting the system, fighting the courts and the like, so that Mary would get her passport. Now, due to a pile of accusations against the former second lady, Mary was denied a passport by a judge and even by her husband, Constantino Chiwenga, who I've confronted over the last 3 years or so now over this matter. So there were many ZANU-PF voices speaking against Mary Chiwenga. And one of those voices was also a named whistleblower by the name Susan Matami. And this is one matter that affected the condition, the situation as it sits here because of those swirling false allegations against Mary Chiwenga that she poisoned her husband. As you can see, I'm just bringing different pauses from time to time. I'm pausing because this is quite heavy, and the reason is I've been so close to the sources of the news here, and I've been interviewing Mary Chiwenga for several years. I've also interviewed Constantino Chiwenga himself. I've interviewed his bodyguard, his private assistant. I've interviewed Auxilia Mnangagwa. By the way, when I talked with Auxilia Mnangagwa in May, this was one of those things. It was one of those things that I communicated with her about, and over the plight of Mary Chiwenga. Why is the community failing? Why are we failing to support Mary Chiwenga? Say it Rugukundikana, say it Hakundikana.
Hu ye pasa batan wa wo ma na wo da yade mpaso na wonya wo ma bia ma ne mese nsuo ma empo na wo de na chechire hu ye pa na chese ababa we na kosem wo de abedan social media no so wo be kana no aduro wo be no maduro eku ne ho ebusia ha na brama kwai ema yede kase ebo no ebesi aseda kase enkoma production crew afei glitter and glow skincare for ese bomaden bra wo makachi wo besi esi kama Jene organic foods nnuane papa ebeboa ama wagina wona nso apomodin mu immune system no ebe building up wati ase asrafo ewo nipadua mu akuti ayade no ombehye ni kena wati ase be ayade bia ebeba ohuna meni ebeba ohwidie mu no ebekun edi etia no esanse naturally organic oboade ensa no chemical sam ni edosam bia eni hu Kinaata teba nso de yetene so a na ya sorry edru papa abedwaman so a emema ejina hot sepe yi ejina ho brane emema ejina ho na ye hata patakali wo be ma ne so kura nya de ayekofo be Kinaata teba ne yi sankonya no edru papa abama enkabone ne white tu na se free ahimfie ho ema ahimfie ho ne tenwan edru papa eyi koko ni 3D malaria de free ho Kinaata teba bomade sa onsa ebekebi netimi aye wosa emwa no sa nyumekuo wei ene so masini sika femu ebo ayema medical seboyi ebesom aside di ho so enkoma wo a woje bra bo hwemi makram.
Sorry. Oh, doc. Esa waba. Enye boko doc. Awana no aye din. No nyina so aye hihye. Afiso aduane to niema. No se ne yemu yen kukuru. Nso nya stomach osa sedan heartburn so asa be ka ho. Edem kura ni minim se difia be force na yi no I don't know.
Test results na chere se we nya malaria won moji.
Eye 3D.
Yes, malaria. Na ni yem no so we no hia. Kinaata stomach na Kinaata malake. Fama no na no ho beto no.
Malake, anything at Tumak.
I'm my free.
Tinatet malake eyema obi a wanya malaria fever ena tinatet tomac mixture eyema obi a wanya indigestion yenhwehwemu hu so wanya malaria and san na wafa adroi. Not recommended for children below 12 years. Pregnant or lactating mothers should consult a doctor.